Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about fractions, and we're going to link it to all of the stuff that we spoke about in the previous topic on the previous module about prime numbers, prime factorization, and LCM. Okay, first we're going to start talking about the types of fractions that we get. So this will be a complete list of all of the types of fractions that we get in maths. Then we will discuss adding and subtracting fractions, right? After we discuss adding and subtracting fractions, I will talk about converting between mixed and improper fractions, because that'll be crucial when we start working with longer format questions. Thereafter, we will discuss multiplying and dividing fractions, and lastly, we will discuss properties of fractions. Now, this is very important because with the properties of fractions, these are basically like rules that we can use when we are dealing with fractions. And in these rules, I will give you certain conditions when these rules are applicable, right? So that you'll know when to use them, right? So think of the properties as more like tools, right? It's a tool that can help you to solve fractions faster. Maybe the other approaches using the LCD approach will be longer. So we will see where these ideas are applicable. Again, the reason I do this is because I want you to be able to work quicker with maths, right? Again, there's many different approaches that can get you to the same answer. However, we want to do it in the fastest and simplest and best way possible. Okay, so that's what you need to remember. And at university, as I said, first year engineering, the first semester, we were not allowed to use a calculator. So these rules will actually be beneficial to you when you start working with questions where calculators are not allowed to be used. Right, so that's why you need to understand all of these rules. Okay, so let's proceed with the discussion of fractions.